Bella, the beach dog, and we're talking about hermit crabs today. So if you're thinking about getting a hermit crab for a pet, maybe you should think about the environment that they live in. Hermit crabs do not breed in captivity, so when you buy a hermit crab, it's coming from a place like this. And if you can't recreate that at home, it's going to be tough to keep them as pets. Hermit crabs in the wild live for about 30 years. And at home, if you buy a hermit crab in a store, if you can keep it alive for 30 days, that might be a lot. Because you need to recreate these conditions. But basically, hermit crabs live in the sand. So they burrow and make a little hole. And they come out of the hole and they live near debris. So they're scavengers and they'll eat debris, whatever it is, vegetables, meat, scavenger, pieces of things, whatever they can find. And as you know, they live in a shell, so they carry their homes with them. And you can see there are a bunch of different shells here that they have a choice to live in. So as they grow, they shed their skin and they grow bigger, and they need to find a bigger home. So if you're also on the beach and you're looking for shells, please don't take shells with holes in them, because you're taking the hermit crabs' homes away. So hermit crabs breathe through a certain type of gill in their lungs, and that needs to stay moist. And that's why they live in this environment. It's about 70, 80 degrees, it's very humid, and they're living by the ocean, so they need some salt water, and then they also live off of fresh water. So they go into their holes, and we even found some hermit crabs further up the beach where it seemed dry, but as you dig down, you can see that it's really moist down here. So that's keeping them moist all the time so that they can breathe. When you bring them home and put them in a terrarium and you just put dry sand in and you don't keep it moist, if it's not always moist with the right kind of water, they're drying out their gills and they can't breathe anymore. So you're basically suffocating them. So that's basically how a hermit crab lives. And if you haven't bought one as a pet yet, really think about if you can provide this kind of environment, and if you want to take them out of this kind of paradise living and put them in a container at home, and if you want to support that kind of industry. If you already have a hermit crab, then try to reproduce this kind of environment where they're getting moist sand, they have a place to dig in, they can keep their gills wet, they keep moist, and provide them with the proper food. Okay, I hope that helps, and good luck with your